Welcome everyone. So today we are diving into the exciting release of the DeepSeek V3.1. So this update brings hybrid reasoning, faster thinking, and a stronger agent capability. So I will walk you through what news, how it works, and why it matters for the developer and the researcher. So what news in V3.1? V3.1 introduced three major upgrades. Hybrid inference, so now the single model can have a switch between thinking and unthinking mode. Secondly, it's faster, so the model now solves the problem more efficiently than the previous release, the R10528 without losing accuracies. And last but not least, the agentic improvement. So the model is better at using the tools and executing multi-step tasks. So let's dive into the first upgrade, right? So the is now come with two modes in one single model. So in the non-thinking mode, so the model responds quickly, right? So it's great for the direct answers. And in the thinking mode, the model start with a thing prefix enable structure reasonings, and the developer can pick the most depend on whether the speed or the reasonings is more important. So the next thing, this next improvement, and is very important. So it's calculated one of the biggest strengths of the V3.1 is how it handles the tool counts. So in the non-thinking mode, the model use strict structures format that make parsing and execution reliable, and this consistency is especially important for the code agents and search agents. So it's ensuring the agent behave predictably in the production environments. Okay, so let's look at some of the benchmark results, like the MMLU redux. So the model come up to 93% in the thin mode. On the GPQA diamond, the mod is achieve over 80, right? And in some coding benchmark popular to either Polygons or LiveCodeBench is also so the major gains. So in short, the thin mode consistently improve performance for reasoning, coding, and search augmented tests. So let's have a look at some of the spec in our training. So the DeepSeek V3.1 use the mix of expert design. So it a well-known and famous architecture, right? It's come with 671 billion total parameters, and but only 37 billion is active per tokens. So it's efficient and but powerful. So it's also support long context token with long context with 128 case tokens, and it run with FPA's precision for the speed, and is fully released under the MIT license. So very permissive for the open use. And how about if you are the Hugging Face fan, so for developer, integrations is straightforward, and now you can load a tokenizer from Hugging Face and use the chat template to switch between modes, thinking or non-thinking. So simply set thinking equals to true or false. So this make a experiment with both reasoning depth incredibly easy. So as important, so this V3.1 unlocked with the two key as important the code agents, right? Designed for the strict tune execution, whether the model emit JSON arguments and iterate step by step. So with the search agents, is leverage think more for the multi-turn reasoning with external knowledge. So together, it makes V3.1 much more reliable and real-world agent workflow. So what if you want to try? Come to the official chat UI at the chat.deepseek.com, where you can toggle the diff thing button to or phone, so to try the most of the new release versions. On the Hugging Face, you will find the model card and the templates, and then also in the API document. So you can look at the chain log and the pricing updates. So plenty ways of way to get on right now. And yep. Finally, so to wrap up, DeepSeek V3.1 is one model with the two powerful modes, thinking and non-thinking. It's agent ready, And like if you are building the AI system, whether for research, coding, assistant or agent framework, so this really is a big step to work. So like if you have any question, any comment or feedback for this version, so welcome.